Welcome to everyone to our Engineering Exploration course project. Our project title is Dharwad Peda Making Machine. Our team consists of 4 members. We are working under the guidance of Ashwin RK, who is our course in charge. Our problem definition states that the machine should be semi-automatic portable. The machine must be user-friendly and hygienic. It should be easy to clean the machine after use. The cost of the machine must be less than 4,000. The machine should continuously work for 3 hours. Weight of the machine should be less than 15 kgs. The machine must indicate the on and off state. The machine should collect and store the dough. It should push or drag the dough, then cut the dough into small balls. Then display the number of balls by counting them. Then coat the balls and collect the sugar coated pedas. Coming to function tree and functional clustering. First let's go to the function tree. As you can see, the function tree consists of 3 branches. Under the first branch, we have collection of dough and store it in the container. Coming to the second branch, drag or push the dough inside, cut the dough into small balls, roll the balls, sugar coating, and then comes the collecting of the pedas. Coming to the third branch, that is the indications, we have 2 indications. One is the indication of the machine, that is on and off, then display the number of balls. Coming to functional clustering, we have classified the function tree under 3 clusters. Coming to cluster number 1, that is dough collector. Cluster number 2, processing unit, and the cluster number 3, that is the interface unit. For our course project, we have identified 3 subsystems. They are number 1 dough collector, number 2 processing unit, and number 3 interface unit. Coming to the generated concepts, we have generated 4 concepts for our course project. All the 4 concepts has same mechanism, that is collection of dough, screw feeder mechanism, cutting into small chunks. The difference between them is that the structure and the sugar coating mechanism. Coming to concept 1, sugar coating is done manually. In concept 2, a motor is attached to a tray which has sugar powder, and the chunks of peda falls into the tray and gets coated. In concept 3, there will be a sprinkler used for the sugar coating. The sprinkler will be kept above the conveyor belt where the peda after cutting falls on the conveyor belt. In concept 4, there is a drum which will be rotating in both the directions after a particular time. The pedas kept in them gets coated. Comparing all the 4 concepts, we have finalized the 4th concept for our course project. Circuit diagram of the entire system. The circuit consists of an Arduino Mega 2560, a breadboard, 3 DC motors. One of them which is connected to the screw feeder, the second one which is connected to the blade, which is used to cut the dough into small chunks of balls, and the last DC motor is for sugar coating. We have one IR sensor which is used to detect the dough, and LCD display to display the number of balls. Flowchart. We have a switch. If we turn it on, the DC motor attached to the screw feeder starts rotating, and the another motor attached to the blade starts rotating. The IR sensor detects the presence of the dough, and the LCD display displays the number of count. If the switch is off, there is no operation taking place. Coming to the bill of materials of the entire system. In our bill of materials, there are totally 17 items. They are air sensor, stand to hold the air sensor, display, screw, Arduino Mega 2560, container, nails and screws, screw feeder case, screw feeder, shaper, blade, nails, slider, DC motor, microcontroller, drum, and drum support. Motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. Chunk maker. The density of the material we will be using is 7.85 grams per centimeter cube. Diameter is 5 centimeter. Length is 10 centimeter. And the torque is 0.6165 Newton meter. The DC motor we will be required is of 200 rpm and the battery voltage required is 12.9 watts. Sugar coating density is 7.85 grams per centimeter cube. Diameter is 5 centimeter. Length is 15 centimeter. The torque required is 1.5 Newton meter and the DC motor we will be using is 60 rpm. Battery required is of 10.05 watt. Coming to the functional specification of the entire system, we have four functional specification. They are number 1 place to keep the dough, number 2 sensing and display, number 3 start and stop button, and number 4 that is sugar coating. Coming to modeling and simulation, as you all can see the circuit is completed. We have one Arduino Uno, one breadboard, three DC motors, out of which first one is connected to the screw feeder, the second one is connected to the blade, and the third one is connected to the sugar coating. We have two push buttons, two LED bulbs, three relay modules, and a battery of 9 volt. As you all can see, the switch 1 is connected to the pin number 13 of the Arduino Uno. Switch 2 is connected to the pin 12. The first LED bulb is connected to the pin number 11 and the second LED bulb is connected to the pin number 10. The screw feeder blade is connected to the pin number 2 of the Arduino Uno. The DC motor of the blade DC motor is connected to the pin number 3 and the sugar coating DC motor is connected to the pin number 4. Let's start the simulation. When we turn on the switch 1, the first LED bulb glows and the screw feeder DC motor and the blade DC motor starts to rotate. When we turn on the switch 2, the second LED bulb glows and the sugar coating DC motor starts to rotate. This is how our model works.